Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fly your DJI Neo in the dark. If you have ever tried flying the out-of-the-box Neo in low-light environment, it flips around like crazy and crashes. In some cases it won't even start. This is because the optical sensors at the bottom of the Neo are not working as intended when there is not enough light. So there are some modifications needed to keep it stable like shown in this video. With the additional light on it, this flying lantern hovers and flies nearly without any problems. And it looks very nice with this green flashing halo. Flying the Neo in the dark in FPV mode is only possible in very low altitude. Is it fun? Yes, it is. But the usable footage looks like a dwarf walking slowly through the environment. Watch the video till the end to see the results, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we are back in the house again, and I like to show you which items you need and how you mount it on your Neo. We will fly in normal mode, not in manual mode or sport mode, because you can only fly very slow to keep your spotlight and camera in the same direction. There are some items that I use. You can all buy them on AliExpress. I show you the link in the description. This is not a sponsored video. I only like to show you where you can buy it. At first we put away this little display stand here. When flying your DJI Neo in the dark, you need a light at the bottom that the optical sensors at the bottom can figure out the position. If you do not have any light at the bottom, your Neo will flip around like crazy and fly away or crash. So this is a bottom light. It's very bright, as you see. You take your Neo and you click it like this. The second item is a mounting bracket for Apple AirTag for the Neo. I hot glued a little lamp on it. It's very lightweight. With hot glue, this one you clip in the upper prop guard like this. So our setup is already finished, but I feel better by using this little bumper at front to protect your gimbal if the Neo crashes. Please keep in mind that you add additional weight to your Neo. I will show you on my kitchen scale. In total it is 181 grams, 182 grams, which means it's about 40 grams heavier than the original. So let's go outside and see the night flight FPV footage.